Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Colour Mandala Art Book Easy Guide. Begin by choosing the right paper and pencils, then plan your color story. Start in the center and work outward to avoid smudging and to build balanced layers. Use light strokes first, then deepen tones for contrast. Clean your tools often and test blends on scrap paper. Keep breaks to rest your eyes and maintain steady hands for crisp details. Choose colors with intention and think about mood before you start coloring. Limit your palette to 3 to 5 main hues for a cohesive mandala design. Use warm colors like oranges and reds to bring areas forward and cool blues or greens to push areas back. Balance saturation across repeated motifs to create rhythm. Always test blends on scrap paper and adjust pressure to achieve smooth gradients and consistent tones. Focus on gentle layering and controlled pressure to keep edges clean and details sharp. Start with light strokes, then progressively add pigment to deepen shadows and highlights. Use fine liners or small brushes for delicate outlines and decorative dots. A colorless blender pencil or gentle solvent helps fuse colored pencil layers for smooth transitions. Rotate your page as needed to maintain comfortable hand angles and consistent line work across the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.